Come here. You ready?
Like,
Blinded
I feel like I'm about to think someone blinded.
Hey everyone, welcome back to Open Kitchen with Andrew. I'm Andrew and I'm here with my friend Joe.
Say hi.
You can say hi!
Hi guys.
Hi! We are going to teach you how to make two different types of cookies today. We're making pignoli cookies as well as sprinkle cookies, and they're inspired by
Teresa Giudice from Real Housewives in New Jersey, and they're gonna be so good.
I cannot wait to try them. Let's go. So we're making pignoli cookies to start, and we need about half a cup of pine nuts. Our oven preheated to 350. And I think like put a little extra because I like
Just like a little overflowing. There we go.
And what you're looking for here is a aroma. We want to make sure they start to smell. A cup of all-purpose flour. We took a cup of pignoli flour, and then we also put a pinch of salt and about a tablespoon of baking powder in here. And what we're going to do with this is just sift it to get out any of the clumps or anything like that, and this will also like lighten the cookies, so they'll be like light and fluffy. So we have a half cup of unsalted butter going into our stand mixer.
Now we're getting it.
You feel
Yeah,
it?
now we're getting it.
Can you smell them?
We just needed a little heat.
Alright, so we're doing a half cup of brown sugar and a fourth of a cup of regular sugar. Alright, and we are going to add our vanilla extract to this as well, and then we're going to cream it.
1 teaspoon.
Turn on? Turn on to like 4.
Straight to 10.
4. While that's going, we need to add 1 egg.
1 large egg.
Yes, we can take those off the heat.
Yep, beautiful.
Alright, so if you look here, the color has changed from it as well.
It's like a taupe.
Okay, it's like a taupe. That, you are correct. You're going to add 1 egg to here.
The largest.
Yes. And now this is where I would add our cinnamon. Now once this starts to come together, we are going to take our dry ingredients and add them into here, spoonful by spoonful.
Little Miss KitchenAid over here.
We are going to turn this on for another minute, and then we're going to transfer it into that bowl and let it rest.
Okay.
And while that is resting, we are going to start making our sprinkle cookies. You ready?
Let's do this.
And we are going to turn this up for another minute or so, maybe like 30-40 seconds. And we are now going to scrape the bowl, put everything into this
bowl and let it cool and rest.
Yes. We don't need the directions. I know what I'm doing.
But I thought I was helping.
You are. You're like tasking right now. Doing the
Tasker.
Task.
Basically the Christmas elf.
Do you want to wash this off for me?
Mm-hmm.
You can also taste it if you want to.
Yeah. I will be doing that. Wow.
Wash it off, please, because we need to bake another cookie.
Wow, that is simply divine. If this is the batter, then imagine a cookie.
So, we're also going to add a few of the nuts just on the top while it's resting. Now we are putting this into the refrigerator and we are letting it rest for about 30 to 40 minutes. The pignoli batter, you did a great job. So click that on, and then we're going to do the sprinkle cookies. And we're not looking at the directions for the sprinkle cookies. Okay?
Supernatural Christmas sequence showing the product. What will be on top.
Alright, are you ready?
Yeah.
So we are going to do a half cup of butter again.
Okay.
Okay? That's going in with 1 cup of granulated sugar. Right. Can you do the sugar?
1 cup.
Yes. That's not sugar, that's salt. That's salt. That's salt. That's not sugar. We have salt and sugar, and one of these is not the other. This one is sugar. Let's put the sugar.
Well, let's label this one. Why
is
this one?
I don't want to label my salt. I know what it is.
We said up, right?
1 cup. 1 cup. And we're going to cream that together. We're going to add a little bit of vanilla.
Okay.
It says 1 tablespoon.
Just 1 squeeze.
1 squeeze. And now you're going to let that cream together. I would lock it, too.
Okay. Just to make sure it doesn't go anywhere.
Yeah. And we can turn it up a little bit. Don't mind. Now we're going to pause it, and you're going to add 3 eggs.
3
Yeah.
eggs.
Now put that down and cream it together again.
Let's whip that up.
This is gonna be great. You want to scrape the sides of the bowl?
Yeah.
So while that's happening, I'm sifting through our dry ingredients. We are going after it.
It just smells like New Jersey in here.
We're gonna add our dry ingredients.
Gradually.
Yeah, maybe slow it down a little bit. Go ahead. Just drop it all in. We just did one whole cookie in probably like 15-20 minutes, and now we're doing a second cookie in the same amount of time. So you can get 2 batches of cookies in the matter of 40 minutes.
Come on.
I mean, you can't beat it.
Who says no to that?
I don't. I'm also gonna be bold. We're gonna put our sprinkles inside because I want these to be super sprinkly. And we're out of sprinkles. They're gonna be so good.
Now, what kind of consistency are we looking for right here?
Thick.
Yeah, look at it.
Is the word, yes. We're looking for thick. Keep going. You're almost done.
Picking sides.
We're gonna use our cookie scoop to scoop these babies out.
Oh, you're using like an ice cream scooper.
The technical term is cookie scoop. That's what it said in the package at the store. All right, you ready to scrape that into this bowl? These are gonna be so good.
Let's see what we're working with here.
We have 2 cookie sheets, and our oven is already preheated. So this is what we'll put our cookies on after they rest. So the pignoli cookie is the type of cookie originating in Sicilian cuisine. It's a popular cookie in all of southern Italy, and it's Sicilian communities in the United States. So the cookie is light brown, golden color, and studded with golden pine nuts, which we are going to do, made with almond paste and egg whites. We didn't do this. The cookie is moist, soft, and chewy. We have a different recipe than this, so don't worry about that.
Not our recipe.
Not our recipe. But they're going to be good, and that's it.
How about sprinkle cookies?
Let's see.
I love sprinkle cookies.
Do you really?
If they were ever on the table at a Christmas party, snatched.
I mean, there's no
There's no history?
There's no history. Okay, so wait. There is history, and it's Teresa Giudice. That's the only thing that really matters. That is the history. So, are you ready for this? Are you ready for this?
I'm ready.
Okay. So Sprinkle Cookies is now a Real Housewives of New Jersey meme. Now Teresa Giudice and her sister-in-law, Melissa Gorga, joke about Sprinkle Cookies, but they weren't always so lighthearted about the history of the treat. During season 3, episode 4, we have to watch it, Teresa used a story about a gift of Sprinkle Cookies. Melissa came to my house Christmas Day. She brought me Sprinkle Cookies. I said, nobody touched the cookies
Nobody touched the cookies
I threw them in the garbage.
I threw them in the garbage.
You know what
my favorite
cookies are?
Pignoli cookies. That's what
I said. That is the history of Sprinkle Cookies.
There we go. And that's becoming the tradition of making them every year.
Rest your cookies in the fridge, no matter what. It's just easier to scoop. People scoop them and then let them rest, but I let them rest and then scoop, so it's easier for me to scoop.
But there's a reason why they scoop then rest.
What's the reason?
Old, like, wives' tales.
What's the old wives' tale? Tell us the old wives' tale.
Wow, this is like batter.
You're gonna like that one. I love that you're working and I'm over here eating this.
Looks like butter.
They look cute. Alright, put them in the fridge. Let them rest. I'm gonna scoop.
Had it. Over it.
They look cute. Beautiful. Look really cute. Hey, thank you so much for joining us. It was so much fun, and the cookies are delicious.
So
you have
good.
to try them.
Tastes
What
just
is-
like Jersey.
Wait, let me try them. You try this one though.